Welcome back to Azra and Afra in Wonderland. Today we are going to make instant homemade French fries. So let's get cooking. Take 6 to 8 potatoes and peel off the skin. Cut it like shown. Soak the fries in cold water for 15 minutes. Transfer it to warm water. Warm water makes it soft inside and crunchy outside. Add in a bit of salt and soak it for 10 minutes. Wipe with a cloth to remove moisture. Add 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Mix well. Pour in oil and fry the fries. Take out after 7 minutes. You can store up to 2 months. Let it cool down and freeze for 3 hours. Fry again until golden brown. Now sprinkle kasuri methi. Now the tasty and yummy French fries are ready. So let's taste it.
The crunchy, tasty French fry is ready. So let's taste it. It's really crunchy, crispy and really tasty. Try it in your home, you will like it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comments, ring the bell for receiving notification. Bye.